In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change role in Figma. Understanding how to manage user roles is a fundamental aspect of working efficiently within Figma, especially when collaborating in teams. It ensures that everyone has the appropriate level of access and permissions, which is crucial for project security and streamlined workflows. So let's dive right into the process. When you're logged into Figma and ready to manage your account, the very first thing you'll want to do is locate your profile. This is usually represented by your profile picture or an icon, and it's consistently positioned in the upper left-hand corner of your Figma interface. Think of it as your personal gateway within the application. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. A clear drop-down menu will immediately appear. From this menu, you'll need to select the option labeled Settings. Clicking Settings will seamlessly navigate you to your personal settings page, where you can customize and manage various aspects of your Figma account, including your user role. Once you're on your settings page, navigate through the options until you find the section related to your account or team management. It's often clearly labeled or intuitively grouped with other personal preferences. Within this section, you should locate and click on an option called Change Role. This action will typically open a new window or activate a drop-down menu, presenting you with a comprehensive list of available roles. In Figma, these roles are fundamental. They determine the specific level of access and permissions you have within a team or a particular project. For instance, you might see options like Viewer, which allows you to view designs without making changes, Editor, which grants you the ability to create and modify files, or Admin, which provides full control over team settings and members. Take a moment to review the descriptions or implications of each role. It's really important to select the role that accurately reflects your current responsibilities and the access level you require. Choose the desired role from the list provided. After you've carefully made your selection and chosen the new role that suits your needs, it's absolutely essential to finalize the change by clicking Save. You'll typically find this crucial button prominently displayed at the bottom of the role selection window or dialog box. It's vital to remember that until you click Save, your selected role will not be updated, and your previous permissions will remain active. Once you click Save, Figma will process the update almost instantly. You should then notice your new permissions and access levels reflected within your projects, teams, and overall Figma environment.